Good
Good evening,
evening.
Harvey.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, engineer.
Good evening, sir.
So, before we ask you the questions for the interview proper, we'd like to hear a little personal background of yours, like how long have you been working, or what is your specific position in your job, and like what do you usually do, and who do you typically interact with during your projects?
My name is Harvey Jade T. Payo. I am currently employed as Engineer 2 at DPWH Capiz 2nd District Engineering Office for almost 5 years. I was designated at the construction section. I was assigned as a resident engineer in various projects at the 2nd District of Capiz.
Hey, sir, you have mentioned you have 5 years of experience and you are in a engineering resident. Uh, have you encountered any communication challenges during your projects? And could you share specific examples? What was the impact of this miscommunication on the project or team?
Yes, I have encountered communication challenges sa mga projects namin. Example nung miscommunication na na-encountered ko as an engineer sa side ng government is kapag yung contractor hindi sumusunod sa standard specifications and plans ng DPWH. Minsan nagdi-DIY sila ng mga activities or iba yung construction method na ginagawa nila. So ang impact nito sa project is nasasayang yung resources, time at yung pera na nagamit sa maling construction method.
So, good evening, Engineer Harvey. For the second question, what do you think are the main reasons these communication issues arise?
The main reason of this communication problem is dishonesty of the other party. Yung mga commitment nila hindi nila na-comply.
So, engineer, good evening. I have a question. What measures or strategies do you and your team use to maintain effective communication?
The measures and strategies we do to maintain effective communication is we conduct a pre-conference meeting before the project commence, and during the project implementation we also conduct coordination meeting if the contractor have questions and clarifications all throughout the project.
So, good evening, engineer. During your 5 years of experience, what communication skills or qualities are most important for a civil engineer to prevent or address miscommunication?
For me, the most important communication skills for a civil engineer to avoid miscommunication is to be an active listener and confidence.
Okay, so thank you for those answers, engineer. So for our last question, we'd actually want to ask for some advice that you'd like to give to aspiring civil engineers like us about communication in the workplace.
My advice for aspiring civil engineers about communication in workplace is build your confidence in yourself. I know you have the knowledge and wisdom, but sometimes you can't express what you want to say. It's maybe because of shyness and fear. That's all.